welcome you in MSBT's online learning course in Emerging Trends in Electronics. MSBT Lead Learning at your doorstep. I am Pramod Mense, lecturer at Sri Siddheshwar Women's Polytechnic Solapur, presenting you first unit Advanced Processors. And unit outcome is describe the given advancement in the processor architecture. At the end of this presentation, student will be able to explain different blocks of Atmega 328 microcontroller. Do you know AVR family of microcontroller? Okay, we'll see different AVR family microcontrollers. These are the contents of today's presentation. Introduction, AVR basic families, Atmega 328 microcontroller and its features, and we'll summarize the presentation. This shows the concept map, AVR family, the AVR is modified Harvard architecture machine where program and data are stored in separate physical memory systems that appear in different address spaces, but having the ability to read data items from program memory using special instructions. AVR is a family of microcontrollers developed since 1996 by Atmel, acquired by Microchip Technology in 2016. AVR is used in many embedded applications. We'll see basic AVR families. AVRs are generally classified into following: Tiny AVR has 0.5 to 16 kilobyte of program memory, 6 to 32 pin package, limited peripheral set. Mega AVR having 4 to 256 kilobyte program memory, 28 to 100 pin package, extended instruction set like multiply instructions and instruction for handling larger program memories. It has extensive peripheral set. Xmega series having 384 kilobyte of program memory, available in 44, 64, 100 pin package. Extended performance features such as direct memory access, event system, and it supports cryptography. Extensive peripheral set with analog to digital converters. Mega AVRs with special features which are not found on the other members of the AVR family, such as LCD controller, USB controller, advanced pulse width modulation, and control area network. 5000 to 40,000 gates are available with FPGA. Static RAM for the AVR program code. Unlike all other AVRs, AVR core can run up to 50 MHz. This is high-level block diagram of Atmega 328 microcontroller. The Atmel AVR core combines instruction set with 32 general purpose working registers, all connected with ALU, allowing two independent registers to be accessed in one single instruction executed in one clock cycle. On-chip analog to digital converter for analog to digital conversion purpose. Various general purpose input output pins for I/O operation. On-chip clock generation is provided with watchdog timer. This is footprint of Atmega 328P microcontroller. We'll see Atmega 328 microcontroller various features. It has high performance, low power AVR 8-bit microcontroller. It follows RISC architecture, having 131 powerful instructions and most of them single clock cycle execution. 32 kilobytes of in-system self-programmable flash program memory. Arduino microcontrollers are programmed with a bootloader that simplifies uploading of programs to the on-chip flash memory. 32 8-bit general purpose working registers. It works up to 16 million instruction per second throughput at 16 MHz frequency. 1 kilobyte of EEPROM memory and 2 kilobyte of internal RAM memory. In-system programming by on-chip boot program. The default bootloader of the Arduino Uno is OptiBootloader. These are peripheral features provided by Atmega 328 microcontroller. It has two 8-bit timer and counter for timing application and counting the events. Programmable watchdog timer with separate on-chip oscillator. Real-time counter with separate oscillator. It has also provided on-chip analog comparator, 6 pulse width modulation channels and 8 channel 10-bit ADC is available. Programmable serial asynchronous, synchronous receiver and transmitter is also available for serial communication. These are special microcontroller features. Power on reset is given with programmable brownout detection. Internal calibrated oscillator is available. It withstands to various temperature range -40 degrees Celsius to +125 degrees Celsius. Low power consumption. In active mode 1.5 milliampere at 3 volt with 4 MHz frequency, and at power down mode it consumes 1 microampere at 3 volt. It has 23 programmable I/O lines. It operates on 2.7 volt to 5.5 volt. Some AVR features we'll see. The first feature is device architecture. Flash, EEPROM and static RAM are all integrated onto a single chip, removing the need for external memory in most applications. We'll see program memory. Program instructions are stored in non-volatile flash memory. Third feature is internal data memory. The data address space consists of the register file, input-output registers, and SRAM. Internal registers. The AVR have 32 single byte registers and are classified as 8-bit RISC devices. General purpose input-output ports. Each GPIO port on a tiny or mega AVR drives up to 8 pins and is controlled by 3 8-bit registers: TDR-X, Port X, and Pin X, where X is the port identifier. Data direction register configures the pins as either inputs or outputs for operation. AVR features EEPROM. Almost all AVR microcontrollers have internal EEPROM for semi-permanent data storage. Program execution. Atmel's AVR have two-stage single-level pipeline design. The AVR processors were designed clock speed to be optimized with the efficient execution of compiled C code in mind and have several built-in pointers for the task. MCU speed. The AVR line can normally support clock speeds from 0 to 20 MHz, with some devices reaching 32 MHz. Lower powered operations usually requires a reduced clock speed. AVR feature an on-chip oscillator, removing the need for external clocks or resonator circuitry. Development. AVRs have a free and inexpensive development tools available, including reasonably priced developed boards and free development softwares. Let's quick summarize today's presentation. Atmega 328 is high performance, low power 8-bit microcontroller which operates on 2.7 volt to 5.5 volt. Atmega 328 follows advanced RISC architecture. AVRs have a free and inexpensive development tools available. Students, for further learning, attempt MCQ assessment set provided in e-content. Thank you.